Bagamat nagkukulang ako, nariyan ka sa sangang daang kinapapatiran ko kailanman. O Diyos, pag-ibig mo kaluluwa'y ligtas dahil sa'yo. Kailanman buhay man iyong inilaan, nang ako'y maligtas sa aking kapahamakan. Dakila ka, O Diyos, kailan pa man. O Diyos, pag-ibig mo kaluluwa'y ligtas dahil nakusa. At sa bawat oras man iyong tangan ko sa palad, di ka na sa akin ay maaaga. Naglila ka, O Diyos, kailan pa man. Isang pintong mahiwaga, O Diyos, kailan pa man. Kaligtas ay tunay na makakamtan. Amen. Tunay po, ever since we were kids, we have been listening to Papuri songs. Believe it or not, there was a lot of hardships when we were growing up. But this music kept us strong, kept us alive, physically, mentally, and spiritually. And this is one of our favorite songs when we were growing
Amen.
up.
Yeah.
It's called Diyos na Tunay, because God has proven that He is real in our lives, even today.